Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well and tap on display section. Now scroll down a bit and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's blue, that means that auto rotation is on. You can always turn it off though by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!